July is the month of the chicken here at the Fairy Queen. Would you like to try our new cock burgers?
What's that?
It's a meaty sausage that fits right between your buns.
I'm not super hungry. Is it real big?
It's a mouthful, all right.
Will I be able to handle it?
That's what I was hoping you'd do.
Okay, I'll try your cock burger.
Dang it, not again, Bird. I'm sorry, ma'am. We don't have any, cock burgers.
Cock burger blocker.
Hey, Bird.
Ketchup war.
Oh, ew, no, stop spraying me in the face.
That's not what you said last night.
What?
Your mama likes it in the face.
No, quit spraying me in the face with ketchup.
Okay. How about some mustard, Scarecrow?
Stop.
Why are you spraying yourself? Why are you spraying yourself?
I'm not, dang it.
My cock burgers bring all the girls to the yard. My yummy meaty sausage in their backyard.